I love working with young people. They're always so excited walking into lessons, especially when I get practical equipment out. Being able to see that progression as they move through the school career is fantastic. My name is Abigail Francis and I am a teacher of science at Lewis Girls School. I always knew I wanted to work in education. I was one of those annoying students who kept running tutoring sessions, and I also was a dance teacher from quite young. I love being part of a child's journey to success. Benefits of using the Professional Learning Passport for professional development is that you can constantly monitor your progress throughout the year and identify targets and areas for improvement. With such a high-paced job role, it's often hard to find that time to really reflect on how you can improve your practice. And this gives you the opportunity to do so and then monitor and see your progress. This has been really beneficial for me in teaching, especially going in to do my Masters this year. It will allow me to access all of that different educational literature and apply theory to practice and be a research-informed practitioner. It makes me really excited for my future career and the future prospects that it has.